Well, it is an act of God. What can anybody do? So, Corona is impacting everyone, and India cannot accept from this. So, it is an act of God, which the finance minister popularly used. I will give you a couple of figures to suggest that this is not an act of God alone. Well, I do agree. Corona is an act of God, and it is not a made in India problem. It has come from outside. That I agree totally. But my point is, I'm not quoting the figure for the 2021. Let me quote you the figure for the 1920. The 2019-20 was relatively unaffected. Even by the end of March, we have introduced lockdown only in the last week of March, which is the last week of the financial year 2019-20. And the total number of cases were just 300 by that time. So obviously the 2019-20 financial year was largely unaffected by the COVID-19. But what was the growth rate in that year? It was just 4.2%. And the first quarter of this calendar year, or the last quarter of this the last financial year, that is January March 2020, the economic growth rate was a mere 3.2%. Now tell me, if it is an act of God, then why did economy decelerate? Why did GDP grow by a very meager level of 4.2% in the entire financial year and 3.2% in the last fiscal? We were talking about economic slowdown. The Society for Indian Automobile Manufacturers, SIAM, said that they are witnessing one of the worst declines in sales, 30-year decline. The Parle company, biscuit company owner said that we are unable to sell even a 5 rupee biscuit. So almost every sector, from an automobile to consumer goods, have witnessed a massive deceleration in the year 2019-20. So if it is an act of God alone, why should GDP be so bad in 2019-20? I will tell you not just 2019-20. Let me also tell you the GST figures. The GST figures started declining right from the 2018-19. So the GST figures, I have the data for the 33 months since its inception. So in the 33 months, hardly 9 months, I've seen GST collections crossing 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh crores. So then now tell me, what is the impact, what factors have led to the significant slowdown in the economy prior to the advent of coronavirus? So actually the economy started declining post demonetization, and things got complicated by the cumbersome and unplanned hasty introduction of goods and services tax. Why I'm telling this is, look at the figures post demonetization. The demonetization was considered as a bold economic measure to eliminate black money. Mukul Rohatgi, the Attorney General of the Government of India at that point of time, told Supreme Court in an affidavit that 3 lakh crores of demonetized notes will not come into the banking system, because obviously anything that comes back into the banking system is a white money, unless and until Income Tax Department identifies the dirty character of it. And as far as I know, Income Tax Department has not declared any deposit in the bank post demonetization as illicit money so far. So the Mukul Rohatgi estimated that 3 lakh crores will not come back. But what is the real figure? Hardly 10,000 crores did not come back, which means the remaining 2,90,000 crores of black money has been converted into white money thanks to demonetization. So the professed objective of demonetization is to eliminate black money, but the real intent proved to be converting black money to white money. The entire more than 99% of demonetized notes have come back into the banking system. So the illegitimate money got legitimized by the process of demonetization. But what is its impact on the economy? A sudden shock therapy has been given to the economy. 86% of the total cash in circulation at the point of time has been withdrawn. So obviously when you withdraw 86% of blood from a human body, the human body becomes anemic. So the economy suffered by a deep anemia, and the cash rich, cash intensive sectors like agriculture, informal sector have suffered a significant erosion, and even the corporate profits have come down, corporate returns have come down post demonetization. So the act of God is responsible for the present economic decline. I totally agree, but it cannot be attributed to act of God alone, because the economy started showing a grim signals right after demonetization. So demonetization plus the GST have contributed to the economic decline, and this economic slowdown was superimposed by the COVID-19 induced economic crisis has been superimposed on the already existing economic slowdown. So the myth that it is only is absolutely ridiculous.